Hello, today we are going to tackle about skin texture. How to improve your skin texture, how to make your skin soft, smooth and clear. And to make it easier for you to understand, I have categorized this video into 3 tiny categories, 3 steps. The first thing, we're going to understand, why do you get this rough texture on your skin? The second thing is you're going to understand how you're going to improve your skin texture, which is the best product actually to use for you to improve your skin texture. And lastly, the third thing, I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to incorporate that skincare product in your skin routine for it to make it as effective as possible. So when I talk about skin texture, mostly what I mean is when you have this roughness, bumpy type of thing, rash-like on your skin, and mostly here on the cheek area, on the bridge of the nose, and some people, they also have it on the jawline. So when you have this, then you have texture issues. Mostly this is caused by dead skin cells. When dead skin cells, they pile up on your skin, then you will tend to have a more rough texture. Also, when you lose collagen, there is a condition. When you lose collagen on some parts of your faces, then it is going to cause bumpiness on your skin and you're going to end up looking like this. I know it's not a major skin concern. It's not something to worry about, but it can be some insecurity to some people. I used to have it personally, and I used to be a lover of makeup. I used to love applying makeup and foundation. So when I applied my foundation, it didn't blend so well because of this issue. It used to show through my makeup and I didn't like it. So yeah, an insecurity to some people. So how to improve your skin texture? Mostly, if you want to improve your skin texture, you want to do something called exfoliating. You want to use an exfoliator. Exfoliating, it is the best thing that is going to remove your dead skin cells and reveal a more softer skin. I know maybe you're thinking, but I usually scrub my skin. See, that is an exfoliator. I usually do. They just remove the top dead skin cells. They don't remove the inside dead skin cells. That's why, yes, you might be scrubbing your skin, but you still have a bumpy skin. What you need, it is a chemical exfoliator. Ones that I usually recommend, it is the 2% BHA from Paula's Choice. This skincare product, it is a gem. This skincare product is a game changer to a lot of skin concern. Also, if you have texture and bumpiness, this is the product that is going to remove that bumpiness on your skin. It has 2% salicylic acid. Salicylic acid, it is the ingredient that is going to penetrate into your skin to dissolve all those dead skin cells to reveal a more softer, glowing skin. It serves a lot of purpose. If you have blackheads, if you have pores, if you have acne prone, if you have sebaceous filaments, this skincare product is a game changer to a lot of skin concern. Personally, I usually use it Sundays. Every Sunday, this is the product. I usually call it the exfoliating day. So every Sunday it's an exfoliating day, or can use it every Saturday. It just depends with you. Just once a week. This is an exfoliant. So prefer to use these active ingredients at night because during the night there's less activity. So it gets to work on your skin without interruption. But during the day, there's a lot of interruption. Maybe you're a Muslim, you want to wash your face to go and pray. Maybe your kid just spilled some water on your face. You know, there's a lot that is going on. So use these active ingredients at night. And since it is a salicylic acid, you don't want to overdo your routine. You want to simplify it as much as possible. Don't use retinol with this product. That night, if you're using this salicylic exfoliant, don't use it with your retinol. Don't apply retinol, don't even apply vitamin C because it doesn't work well with these skincare ingredients. Cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, take this salicylic acid exfoliator. You can use a cotton pad or you can just use your hands to apply it on your face, and also don't forget your neck. And when you do that, take your moisturizer and apply your moisturizer and go to sleep. You have seen we have simplified that routine. It's the product that is going to improve your skin texture. So another alternative for this is to use the lactic acid. So lactic acid, mostly I usually prefer to give it to those people that have sensitive skin. Lactic acid is very gentle onto the skin. Yes, it does remove the dead skin cells, but it does it in a very slow, in a very gentle way. So this product is actually safe for those people that have a very sensitive skin. The same thing with this lactic acid. You use it only once a week or even twice a week. But for now, just start it with once a week. Don't complicate anything. With once a week, every Sunday or every Saturday, just choose your day. I say Saturday or Sunday because those are the most rest days for a lot of people. But you can do it every Wednesday. It just depends with you. So every Sunday, just at night, wash your face. After washing your face, take this serum, few drops, then apply it on your skin. Then take your moisturizer and apply your moisturizer and go to sleep. And during the day, don't forget to use a sunscreen, because the sun also, it is the biggest trigger to causing texture irregularities. So you want to really apply a sunscreen. Remember earlier that I said that mostly you have texture issues because of dead skin cells, and number two, because of imbalances of collagen on your skin. So what you want to do is you want to increase the amount of collagen on your skin for you to have a more softer skin, and for that you need to use retinol. Retinol, it is the best anti-aging skincare ingredient, and at the same time it is the best in renewing skin cells very fast to reveal that soft glowing skin. So when it comes to retinol, you want to pick retinol based on your age. So if you're 20s, you want to use only 0.5% retinol. If you're in your 30s, 1% retinol is fine for you, and 40 and above you want to use 2.5% retinol, and if you're pregnant you want to use bakuchiol. By the way, I did an entire video about retinol. I went into details about it. So for now we're just going to touch on the top. So retinol, you want to use it at night. So those times that you're using retinol, don't mix it with the salicylic acid or the lactic acid exfoliant. So retinol at night, you just want to wash your face, apply your toner if you have a toner, then take your moisturizer, apply moisturizer, take retinol, apply retinol, take moisturizer, apply moisturizer, and sandwich it to make it less irritative onto your skin, and you go to sleep. Do it only twice a week, and gradually when you use this chemical exfoliator, you exfoliate your skin, and at the same time you're using a retinol at night, I'm telling you, you will achieve that skin that you've always wanted. These skincare ingredients, they are the best in revealing that soft glass skin. To these two skincare products, you incorporate them in your normal skincare routine, and then you add a retinol and you add an exfoliator, you will achieve that soft, smooth skin. So that's it. See you in my next video. Kwaheri.